Start with the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of web development. Websites like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy are great places to begin. Spend at least 2 hours a day practicing. Consistency is key. Dive deeper into JavaScript by learning frameworks like React or Vue.js. These tools make coding more efficient. Build small projects to apply your knowledge. Create a personal portfolio website to showcase your skills and progress. Time to learn backend development. Start with Node.js and Express to understand server operations. Build a simple REST API and connect it to your front-end projects. Learn about databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL to store and retrieve data. Explore advanced topics like authentication, security, and performance optimization. These are crucial for building robust applications. Keep building projects and adding them to your portfolio. Deploy your projects using platforms like Heroku or Netlify for real-world experience. Prepare for job interviews by practicing coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Apply to jobs and attend networking events. Persistence and dedication are your best friends on this journey.